Alright, I remembered to start the video with the phone in the right direction. Now, this is part 3 of the videos about the shelf. And this is Sam from Secrets with Sam. And please remember to like and subscribe. We got our screws a little bit there. That makes this next part easy. Make sure that everything's lined up. Yeah, looks like it is. That's good. And now we can we're gonna screw that in there. Just one second. Okay. All right. Okay, that's one. Okay, I gotta put this down here. All right. So, kind of, pre-drill this so it's inset. This is not a, the kind of project where, trying to make real nice finish work. Just kind of repairing something, but if you were you'd like to do that, then you can put in some wood glue mixed with sawdust or some off the shelf, over the counter wood filler, and you could just cover that up and paint right over that. Okay, and now, that shelf would hold 50 pounds. Once we do the other one, I think good 50 pounds plus. All right. This is Sam from Secrets with Sam. Please subscribe and watch the videos so that I can get some money. And I hope this is helpful to you.